how to change your TikTok region. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change your TikTok region. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your particular account. Now tap on the profile icon and bottom right corner of the screen. Once you reach on this profile section, tap the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now, tap Settings and Privacy to access your settings page of TikTok. Tap on Account at top of the screen. Once you get access to the account page, tap Account Information at top of the screen and then you have to select Account Region. So currently your account region is initially set based on the time and place of registration. Simply select account region and here you need to select the region which you want to change to. Once you have located, you have to simply tap on the particular region or the country that you want to change to. And after a while, you will successfully see that your TikTok region has been changed on TikTok. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.